it's Salena here at AmourFabriQues. I wanted to pop my head in and say hi and hello and thank you guys so very much. Black Friday and Cyber Monday and all the way till today, you guys have been blessing me and my shop and just shopping like crazy. I have to also give thanks to Etsy, which is something I don't say a whole lot about with their cyber sale coupon for you guys, and then me putting my shop on sale for you guys. Give you guys an amazing deal. But I want to say thank you. I had over 1,000 sales this past 30 days. I've been working day and night. I'm gonna put in here if I can with editing this. As you can see, sleep deprived. Which is fine. I feel very blessed and I'm very grateful. I've been working day and night, up most 1, 2 a.m., go to bed for a few hours and get back up and do it again. Because I know you guys have a whole lot of crafty projects that needs to be done. And I mean, it is what, December 3rd now. My gosh, time's flying. And I need to make sure that this stuff ships out next day for you guys, to give you guys that super fast shipping so you can have the gifts and you guys can have the product that you need for your crafty projects. As you guys can notice too, here, before I get started, this is me today. I'm going to do a pop-up here in a second of me yesterday, and then me the day before. Don't look so good, but at least, hey, you can see. What it sincerely can look like over here. I'm going to turn the camera in a little bit before I leave you guys, but I'm making this a very short video because I do need to jump right back at it. I apologize, I haven't been bringing out a bunch of video content. In fact, I even brought out the Christmas mini journal kits this year because I've been so busy, and I do it every year. But don't forget, guys, I do have a sale on the past 3 years, the journal mini book kits out there for you guys. I have them on sale, so I'm keeping those on sale for you guys for another few more days. Which is a great deal. So I think they're 10% off. And anyways, but no, I just wanted to say thank you. I know I'm forgetting something I was gonna say, but that's okay. I just wanted to jump on and say hi, hello, and thank you. I'm gonna give you, like I said, a sneak peek of the disaster in this room. My table is gone like crazy. And I hope to show you a few things that I am working on before I say goodbye. Geez, there's so much I want to share. I want to create, but with all the orders, I'm just super thrilled, super thankful. I am a one-man band over here, so it is amazing that I can do this. We could do this, right? But okay, enough of me. But as you can see, the shelves are just emptying out like crazy, and I've been trying to scutter around to keep up. Here's a little sneak peek. Okay, beware, people. Other than the bags under my eyes, here's some of the table view kind of thing. But this rack here, I normally don't have in here. I usually have this hutch, which I still haven't given you guys I have not even given you guys a chance to have a view of the shop build changes because it's just gone nuts over here. You guys' orders and your guys' needs are first, and my shop can just wait and be a disaster for a bit. So this rack here, which I'm going to do a reverse camera, hang on a second. All right, this rack here has the kits that should have been out December 1st, but oh well. You have the 3 different kits here. They are the book page kits. I have the Christmas one, which is a large Christmas kit that you could choose your book cover. And then this here, the cookbook kits, I do them every year. But this year I'm doing the Everything Sweet kit, where it's all sweet candies, cookies, cakes, pies, everything pages, and then you get to choose your book cover. And then I have the typical retro cookbook pages, where each one of these kits will have 100+ pages, and then you pick your book. It'd be an amazing, crazy sale. I'm not sure, but I think they're going to be like between $12 and $15. They're going to be super cheap, guys. You're going to want to grab those while you can. I can't wait to share that with you guys. And the Christmas kits, I think they're a little bit more because I have a lot of retro, really cool things in there as well. I think it's not just paper, but it's also got some really cool embellishments and fabrics and things like that. But that kit is crazy cool. So this rack, like I said, it's normally not here. It's temporary for the holidays. It's the, oh my God, I need to rip and tear and do pages. These kits, the pages are already done. Christmas is 99% done, but I'm hoping to have that out within the next couple of days for you guys. Over here, holy moly. Yep. I'm showing you the disaster. So then we have a lineup here on the table. The applique packs have gone crazy, guys. For those who know, I have applique packs, large applique packs like this. It's a variety pack that's 25. These are the red packs. I usually have them for like 20 bucks, a pack of 25. And like I said, they're rather large, like the size of your hand. I got glitter everywhere. But I have them in every color. And they're on sale for 15. Yes, they're flying off the shelves. And then the snippet lineup for whenever I have snippets from leftover pieces, they go into the bins there for a lineup to give you guys a great variety as well. So as you can see the scraps here, snippets, you know, like I said, I always have snippets. That's going to be thrown over to line up over there. And then the trims, so I'm doing trims at the same time. Wait till you see this. Okay, guys, talk about glitter. We got glitter. So on here, I'm just dumping the colors. So I know when I do the trims, I give you guys a great variety, but there's just glitter everywhere. So these are for the trims and snippets for you guys. So that's on my floor. I'm just trying to go cray and get those all set up as well. And that's a sneak peek of something. And that's a sneak peek of something coming. I can't wait to show you guys a lineup. And then I got these orders I'm filling right now. Most things are stocked on the shelves, but some things I have to cut personally because we ran out. So I'm doing those today so they can get out onto the postman's coming at noon. So there's purple. So as you guys can see here, if I could zoom in. So that's been a purple, a little bit of red. That's going to be in the applique packs here, guys. As you can see here. Ooh, baby. All right. That is a sneak peek of the disaster on the table right now. As you can see here, Cantha is flying off the shelves. I have more. I have another warehouse. But those are the ones I stocked on the shelves to show you where I'm low. Tells me what I need to do today to cut. Looks like those are pretty well stocked. And here, I haven't announced it yet, but it's in the shop, guys. You guys don't want to look at that. I'll do a pop-up here in this video and then a link down below. But that, you guys remember back in the day when a month or so ago, I went to the Goodwill outlet and all those vintage quilts I collected, I made sure that's a 10-pack bundle of vintage quilts cut, ready to go. I have a sale coming up, not a sale, gift with purchase for that one coming up here soon, but it's already in the shop. And if you do buy that today, just don't worry. I'm just going to automatically throw the gift in there before that thing happens. So if you guys want to jump on it, you want to look at that before the video happens. The gift with purchase for that is crazy amazing. I had a lot of scraps left over for those quilts and buttons and trims, and this gift with purchase is like more than 4 ounces of goodies. Give you a sneak peek of that. And then next you guys are going to see I'm going to add to this video at the end, the slow stitch kit, the Christmas slow stitch kit that is released today. You're going to want to see that too. So let me go over to this counter really quick and get. All right, guys, friend kit. I have it on the shelf, my shelf display. So it's in here. I'm going to throw a pop-up down below, to show you guys what's in that box. But the friend kit will come with the Holly Hobby and Bobby Hobby journal covers, the corner tabs available for you guys, along with everything else you're going to see that's inside this box. It's so cool. On top of the box, I will have the card, a friend letter for you, and an opening to where you can add what you want. Cute little embellishment pieces, but wait till you see what's in this box. That video is coming up, but I'll throw a pop-up to give you guys a sneak peek. Don't mind the glitter. Excuse me. Don't mind the glitter. Just got a glitter mess going on here on the counter. This is one of the kits I was going to tell you guys that is going to be released today. You guys will be seeing some video footage of that coming. It will come with a card with an envelope. This is just one example. If you want this exact card, just comment, but I have a whole pile of them with envelopes that would be a gift, like a gift card for Christmas for the person who gets the slow stitch kit. But it'll come exactly like this in a cute box, but everything in it down below is the direct link to the listing link to where you can grab yours while you can. It is a kit ready to go for as a gift or for yourself. It's a slow stitch kit that comes with all kinds of fibers, vintage fabrics, tablecloth fabrics that are retro. Comes with a beautiful bead pack, embellishments. It is just filled with appliques, embroidery. I mean, it's just filled. It's like I would call it a slow stitch kit, which also you can use as a journal artist as well for mixed media, what have you, or just as a gift. I also do offer gift wrap as well. I have this cute vintage retro Santa gift wrap and stuff like that. So, all right, guys, you guys have a wonderful one. I hope you enjoy the rest. I do have more to show you, but I figured let's start with that first. All right, guys, you guys have a lovely one. This kit is amazing. I can't wait to show you the video footage. It's just adorable. I'm hoping to do a live here soon where you guys can see the lineup of how I put it together. Hopefully Monday I'll have help here to help me with that lineup as well. So you guys have a lovely one. Thank you. Bye.